Exercise 6.2, problem number 12. In a business venture, a man can make a profit of rupees 2000 with a probability of 0.4 or have a loss of 1000 with a probability of 0.6. What is his expected variance and the standard deviation of the profit? This is the statement of the problem. Once again read the problem. In a business venture, a man can make a profit value is rupees 2000. So this can be taken in the tabular form. So the probability mass function is probability of x can be taken as a 2000. So 2000 is a profit and the corresponding probability is 0.4 and 1000 is a loss. So we have to take negative sign, minus 1000. The corresponding probability is 0.6. Our aim is finally we have to compute the expected variance and standard deviation of the profit. So the standard deviation formula is square root of variance. First we have to calculate the variance. Variance of x formula is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So the first we have to take e of x. So this problem is a discrete case. So we have to apply the formula for discrete case is e of x can be taken as sigma x into p of x. X into p of x means we have to multiply these two and then add. So 2000 into 0.4 plus minus 1000 into 0.6. So 2000 into 0.4 is 800 and minus 1000 into 0.4 is minus 600. Value is e of x value is 200. Again in this formula e of x is over. Next we have to calculate e of x square. So e of x square formula is sigma x square into p of x. So 2000 square into 0.4 plus minus 1000 square into 0.6. So 2000 square is into 0.4 value is 16 lakhs plus 6 lakhs. So the value is 22 lakhs. E of x square is 22 lakhs. So variance of x equal to formula is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So 22 lakhs minus 200, this value is 200 whole square. So 22 lakhs minus 40,000 which is equal to 21 lakhs 60,000. So this is the variance of x. So the standard deviation is formula is square root of variance. So the variance value is 21 lakhs, sorry 2 lakhs 16,000. So 21 lakhs 60,000. So 21 lakhs 60,000 square root of 21 lakhs 60,000 is 1469.70. Hence the problem. Again move to problem number 13. The number of miles an automobile tire lost before it reach a critical point in tread wear can be represented by a PDF. F of x equal to 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 for x is greater than 0. 0 for x is less than or equal to 0. Find the expected number of miles in thousands a tire would last until it reached the critical tread wear point. So this is the statement of the problem. In this problem is continuous case. Suppose the question is given in f of x means it's continuous case. We have to apply an integration. So the given function can be taken as 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 is This one is very important. This is the limit value x is greater than 0. Suppose we have to compute the expected number of miles. Expectation, find only we have to calculate E of x for this problem. So the E of x formula is, for the continuous case, is minus infinity plus infinity x into f of x dx. This is the formula. But we see this limit is x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0 means we have to take the real line. This one is minus infinity, this one is plus infinity. We have to set 0. X is greater than 0. So 0 is more than 0. So more than 0 means 0 to infinity. So this is your limit. So in this problem, x is greater than 0, we will get the function f of x. So limit value from 0 to infinity. So formula is minus infinity plus infinity x into f of x dx. So your limit is 0 to infinity x into f of x dx. So 1 by 30 is a constant taken as outside. 0 to infinity x into e power minus x by 30 dx. So this result is compared with the formula. So it's a simplical formula is 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal to, formula is, this is a very, very important formula, simplical formula, factorial n by a power n plus 1. This is the formula. So we are comparing the question as well as the formula. So x power 1. So this is x power n. So this is x power 1. Again we have to comparing these two results, e power minus ax. So e power minus a. So already minus is there. So this value is this is minus into minus plus. So this a value is, so n value is 1 and a value is 1 by 30. So x is already there. So minus into this is minus into minus plus. So a value is 1 by 30. This can be compared with the right hand side of the formula. Formula is factorial n. Factorial n is factorial 1 by a power, a value is 1 by 30. So 1 by 30 power 1 plus 1. The right hand side of the formula can be taken as factorial n is factorial 1 by a value is 1 by 30 power n plus 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 by 30 is already constant in this problem, so take us outside. 1 by 30 into 1 by 30 whole square. So 1 by 30 into 1 by 30 square. So 1 by 30 is taken as a reciprocal. So 1 by 30 into 30 square. So 1 power is cancelled. So the final answer is expectation of x equal to 30 miles. This is the solution of the problem.